Said a hot dog.
We're going to blow a hot dog up here. This is classified military experiment.
I gotta throw the hot dog on it when
Why don't you just
stick someone throw the hot dog on it.
Here.
firecrackers?
Put the hot dog on it.
Just put the hot dog on the plate.
Back up, Jake.
Good night!
Look, I couldn't light them off.
They did everything but the hot. Where's the firecrackers?
Hot dog is left. They're in the thing.
Did all of them light? I got them all light. Look,
It's burnt.
a little bit.
Matt, you want to eat that?
Look at the
I'll give
plate.
you $1.
Matt, eat it, and we'll give you $500.
You jacked up.
Okay. This time we're going to blow up a hot dog with a bomb. Wait, let me make sure it's clean. There we go. Look at that bomb and that little hot dog. We're ready to blow up this hot dog? Look, we'll look at the bottle. That's oh my gosh, what happened to that bottle? Blew the bottom out of it and everything.
That's awesome. I need before and after pictures.
Go show Grandpa.
Let me see. Hold it up, Matt. Let me see.
Wow. Okay, look what's on here, Matt. Look what we're going to do with this. Is that your hot dog?
No.
Okay, back up, because we're going to blow a hot dog up today. We're going to send a hot dog to the moon.
John, how are you going to be able to camcord it?
You have to just point up.
I mean, get back in time.
Watch out. I hope it's not too heavy.
It's lit. I heard. It's not lit.
It went out.